Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Marshall Minor Roman 3 and preparing your phone. Charge the earbud case or buds until the LED shows ready. Make sure Bluetooth on your device is enabled. Once done, open the case or press and hold the button to wake the buds into pairing mode. You should see a flashing LED. If you use the Marshall app, open it now to allow firmware checks. These steps get both devices ready to find each other fast. You now pair the Minor Roman 3 with your phone or computer. In Bluetooth settings, scan and tap the entry labeled Marshall Minor Roman 3. Sometimes the name appears slightly different, so look for Marshall. Confirm pairing prompts on screen and allow permissions for audio and calls. Make sure one bud establishes connection first, then the second joins automatically. If using an app, follow any on-screen pairing assistance. Finally, play a short audio clip to verify left and right channels and stable audio playback. You finish by customizing controls and confirming reliability. Set volume and remap touch or button functions in the Marshall app or device settings, then test calls and media. If pairing fails, reset the buds by pressing and holding the power/pair button for 10 seconds until the LED flashes differently, then retry pairing. Make sure firmware is current and remove old or duplicate Bluetooth entries on your phone to avoid conflicts. This single reset step resolves most common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.